Hi friends, today's topic is chromosomal mutation. Before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for notifications, like, share among your friends and comment. Mutation is an abrupt qualitative and quantitative change that takes place in cell or in living system, or sudden heritable change that takes place in living system is called a mutation. Before going to the topic, we can discuss about chromosome. Chromosomes are long thread-like structures of DNA that contain the genetic material of an organism. Chromosome exists in a complex, three-dimensional and compact structure that is essential for transcriptional regulation. Due to the compactness, chromosomes are arranged inside the nucleus, and the proteins that bind chromosomes are called as histones and chaperones. The number and structure of chromosome can be different in different organisms and are often used as a distinguishing feature among different organisms. The number of chromosomes in an organism is constant and often used in the determination of phylogeny and taxonomy of. Coming to the topic, chromosomal mutation. It is a process of change of the chromosome as a result of rearranged chromosome parts and change in the number of individual chromosomes or chromosome set present in the genome. Chromosomal mutation can be detected either by microscopic examination or genetic analysis or both. Here, what is happening during chromosomal mutation? Altered morphology. The morphology of the chromosome alters. Chromosomal mutation are also called as chromosomal aberrations. So, chromosomal abnormality or chromosomal disorders, all indicating a possible alteration in the morphology and structure of the chromosome. Even though gene mutation are usually more severe than chromosomal mutation, some chromosomal mutation might result in gene mutations. We can see the causes of chromosomal mutations. Chromosomal mutation occur or take place as the change in the structure of chromosome or due to abnormality in chromosome number. In both cases, the most important cause include the mistakes during chromosome division or crossing over. Some portion of chromosome might lag during anaphase, which cause them to lose during nuclear reorganization. Some might even be digested by nucleases. In the case of duplication, a portion or the entire chromosome might be duplicated as a result of some mistake during chromosome division. Most of the structural mutation occur at crossing over, where the abnormal breaking or separation of the chromosome can result in chromosomal mutations. In the case of numerical mutation, irregularities in nuclear division or accidents or mutagen can change the genomes of the cell. The formation of aberrant genome in living organism is caused by irregularities during meiosis. These can occur either naturally or are generated artificially. Mutagens like radiation and chemical molecule might also be involved in chromosomal mutation. Mutagens are the substances which can cause mutation. Chromosomal mutation are hereditary if present in the heritable part of the chromosome and thus can be passed down from one generation to next generation. Depending on the cause, extent and position of the mutation, chromosomal mutation can produce a wide range of effects in the organisms. Next we can see mechanism of chromosomal mutation. The mechanism involved in chromosomal mutation depends on the type of mutation. Change in the structure of chromosome occur due to various mistakes or accidents during the nuclear organization. The loss of chromosome section is also caused by digestion of those sections by nucleases. Changes in the number of chromosomes occur due to abnormal pairing or the lack during the cell cycle. The paired chromosome in some cell might not be separated during anaphase, leading to the addition and loss of chromosomes. Besides, induced chromosomal mutation can also occur as a result of exposure to physical agents like radiation and chemical molecules. The overall effect of the mutation also depends on the type of mutation and the mechanism involved in it. Next, we can discuss about types of chromosomal mutations. Chromosomal mutations can be categorized into two: type 1 chromosomal mutation and type 2 chromosomal mutation. Type 1 chromosomal mutation includes structural changes or alteration in chromosome morphology, and type 2 chromosome mutation are called numerical changes, means change in number of chromosomes. So chromosomal mutation 1 include structural mutation that arises as a result of alteration in the structure of the chromosomes. So structural mutation are further divided into different types depending on the mechanism of the process. The first one is inversion. Inversion is a type of structural mutation where a part of chromosome or a set of gene rotates by 180 degree on its own axis. There is no net loss or gain of gene but simply a rearrangement of the sequence. A part of the chromosome is broken and then rejoined in different direction. This figure shows the inversion of chromosome. Here C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G is in one side. After inversion, it will become A, D, C, B, E, F, G. That means here there is no loss or gain of chromosomes. An example of chromosomal inversion can be observed in the insect Coleopa frigida, where the chromosomal inversion results in the production of differences in phenotype. Chromosomal inversion occurs only in the larger species as the smaller species cannot survive the mutation. The changes observed as a result of the mutation are threefold difference in size in males. The change heterokaryotype has higher viability than original structure. Thus, inversion mutation in the species act as evolutionary asset in the species, which increases its fitness in the ecosystem. Next is deletion. Deletion is a type of structural mutation that occurs due to the loss of a part of chromosome as a result of the breakage of the chromosome. So actually in addition, there is no net loss or gain, but in deletion a part of chromosome is lost. The deletion occurs due to the loss of a portion of chromosome, usually due to lag during anaphase and digestion by nucleases. Deletion can either be terminal or intercalary. The terminal deletion can occur due to loss of terminal section of chromosome. This involves a single break in the chromosome. The intercalary deletion occurs due to the loss of intermediate section of the chromosome. This involves two breaks on either end of deleted section. This figure explains deletion of chromosome. See here, yellow, blue and green are the three set of chromosomes normal, but after deletion or when deletion occurs, say in the green, lower portion is missed. This causes deletion of a part of chromosome. These examples for deletion. Deletion of the short arm of chromosome 5 in human result in a distinctive cat-like crying babies called cry-do-cat syndrome. These individuals tend to mentally slow with an IQ below 20, have different forms of malformation in the larynx, moon faces, saddle nose and small mandibles. The syndrome can be inherited from one generation to another, might even affect the ears and the size of the head. Next structural change is duplication or amplification. The term itself, duplication of chromosome take place. here where a part of chromosome is present in excess of the normal composition. The genes present in a cell might exist in more than two doses as a result of duplication. Duplication in the chromosome can occur in multiple ways: tandem duplication, reverse tandem duplication, displaced duplication, transposed duplication, and extra chromosomal duplication. Here explains the duplication or amplification of chromosomes. See here, compared to the normal set of chromosome, after amplification in the last chromosome, see that the green colored chromosome is doubled. Let we can see examples of duplication or amplification of chromosome. The duplication of segment of 10th chromosome called section 16A in Drosophila is a classic example of duplication. Section 16A code for the bar trait in Drosophila, which is characterized by a narrow, oblong, bar-shaped eye with few facets, that is called bar mutation. Each duplicated section 16A intensifies the bar phenotype, which increases the narrowing effect. The duplication of section 16A act as a genetically dominant factor and the phenotype intensify if the duplicated gene occur on the same chromosome. That means bar, triple bar, ultra bar like you already studied. The fourth type of structural chromosomal mutation is translocation. You know, the term translocation means shifting of a segment of a chromosome. There is no net gain or loss of chromosome or genes during translocation, but a rearrangement occurs. There are three different types of translocation depending on the pattern of rearrangement: simple translocation, shift translocation, and reciprocal translocation. This explains translocation means exchange of the chromosomal segments between non-homologous chromosomes. Next is examples for translocation. A rare series of reciprocal translocation can be observed in Oinothera lamarckiana involving all 7 of the chromosome pairs. Multiple translocation exists within the set which produces different lethal combinations. The translocation results in a ring-like structure of the chromosome where the gamete usually do not survive the mutation. Viable gametes are formed only when the linkage or alternate disjunction from the ring structure. The next topic is chromosomal mutation 2. That means numerical changes in chromosome. The change in number of whole chromosome is called heteroploidy. It produces phenotypic changes, modification of phenotypic ratios, and alteration of linkage groups. Heteroploidy can be further divided into two different categories depending on the changes in the entire set of chromosome or in the single whole chromosome. The first one is aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is a type of mutation that changes part of a chromosome set, resulting in either the loss of one or more chromosome or the addition of chromosomes. Aneuploidy resulting from the loss of chromosome is called hypoploidy, whereas due to addition of chromosome is called hyperploidy. Next is examples of aneuploidy. Down syndrome is an example of aneuploidy which is associated with a trisomic condition for one of the smallest human autosome, that is chromosome number 21. Down syndrome is the most common chromosomal abnormality in live birth and exhibit 50 different physical characteristics. The characteristics can range from mild to moderate mental retardation to internal epicanthal fold and swollen tongue. Main cause of trisomy is the non-distinction of chromosome 21 during oogenesis. Down syndrome in children can also occur due to non-distinction of chromosome pairs in spermatogenesis. Next numerical change is polyploidy. Polyploidy is a type of euploidy. What is euploidy? changes in the entire set of chromosomes, where an organism has more than two sets of chromosomes, that means diploid. Polyploidy includes different combinations like triploid, tetraploid, pentaploid, hexaploid and octoploid. Polyploidy higher than tetraploid is not common in natural environment, but it can be observed in some crops and ornamental flowers. Polyploidy can be further divided into three groups: autopolyploids, allopolyploids and autoallopolyploids. Examples of polyploidy. An example of polyploidy can be observed in doob grass, Cynodon which is mostly cultivated in South Asia. It is triploid and sterile but can be propagated vegetatively. Polyploidy result in large sized plants that have decreased osmotic pressure with increased water content. The rate of cell division is low and thus the plant growth rate also decreases. These also have reduced oxygen content which decreases their rate of respiration. Diagrammatic representation shows numerical chromosomal instability. That means change in chromosome number from normal set. That may take place as small scale gain means addition cause trisomy, or in some small scale losses means monosomy, that means only single chromosome present, another chromosome is absent, or large scale gains, that is called a polyploidy or extra set of chromosomes. When we come into the last part of chromosomal mutation, then we can see applications of chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation have different applications in different branches of biology, some of which are: mutation can be used as a method for designing special arrangement of genes uniquely to solve different biological issues. Chromosomal mutation are also essential at the applied level in medicine, plant and animal breeding. Chromosomal mutation play an important role in evolutionary process by shaping the genomes and chromosomes of different organisms. Induced polyploidy, you heard about that, has been used to produce seedless fruits and vegetables. Monoploidy facilitate genetic experiment as all genes in a monoploid are expressed. Chromosomal mutation can be adopted as a form of molecular therapy to treat different genetic and hereditary diseases. Dear friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and please subscribe my channel.